Very clear. The judicial magistrate witnessed all this. Call for that report. Magistrate makes no difference. Give me a minute. Every police station has a natural. Sorry. Sir, kindly have a look at left bottom the finding. In the case of wounds, not note whether there is any indication of wounds being homicidal, etc. Then the report is death was due to effects of manual strangulation associated with smothering, as noted above. Now, please see manner of death, homicidal. There is a medical evidence of forceful penetration, insertion in her genitals, possibly of sexual assault. And see, my lord, the FSL report. My lord, I have marked, my lord, two. My lord, seized items. Given that. So I just.
What is the GD entry by virtue of which 861 of 2024 comes into existence?
565.
565.
Yes. The entry 565.
And what time is GD entry 565 recorded?
At night, Mullah. 2:55 p.m. Mullah. 565 to 2:55 p.m. I can hand it over.
So GD 565
at 2:55 p.m.
In the second flag, Lord, second flag, please see B, the observation.
Yes, it's there.
23:30.
The second flag, please see B.
This is a certified copy, Mullah.
5 is merely a medical
This
certificate.
is a certified copy, Mullah.
Page
Lord, I have
64.
marked 2. Exhibit U1, Exhibit U2. Correct, my lords? That's my Lord Justice Patiwala and Justice Mishra case. Now, kindly come to the second flag.
It's not a medical entry.
And please see, my lord, the findings of this
11:39. I have the
laboratory.
copy.
From the
No, I
above
have a copy
observations,
too.
it is
It's
concluded
certified
that
copy.
and
We've just given it to the court.
so and so, no, I'm not reading it. Please see the underlying portion. My lord. Rest. But that's of this laboratory. From the above observations, it is concluded that then B. So and so, I am not reading it.
Yeah.
So please see the underlying portion. The rest.
Just make sure, just, let's not.
Judicial magistrate.
420
Now
to
compare it
440.
with the UD case.
Judicial magistrate.
And the judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it. He comes at 410.
Yes.
And then the inquest is conducted at 420 to 440.
Inquest is videographed. So this
And it is videographed.
is- and the same has been saved on a card which you can.
First line on the top. It doesn't want to disclose, no problem. Even answer, you can give through. You know, if it is coming in his way of investigation, he may not. We just want to know. He knows he can also answer. But first line, just read it in your mind.
Sibyl, also, second question,
Very
when
first
was
line.
the search and seizure actually carried out?
On this
This
line,
one is just
you have this report, right?
8:30
I'm
to
just trying to
10:45.
understand.
Eight?
8:30 to 10:45.
Correct.
Yes.
The one which you have marked in red.
The photographs had been taken before, Madhaj?
8:30 in the morning or in the
No,
evening?
no, no, sorry, sorry.
Evening.
I'm sorry.
Madhaj.
So
The
therefore,
body was
Lord, I
found in
was
the
also
morning
little
at 9:30.
sorry.
That's right.
It cannot
Photographs
be
were
for-
taken.
Yes.
Once the body was removed, Madhaj, for post-mortem, then only, Madhaj.
Have they looked into this?
And by whom? There is some relevance. Therefore, my lord, I
In
would
the form
like
of
my
some
learned friend to
pollution or
ask. There is
something?
some relevance.
Madhaj, we have photographs from 12:45 PM onwards of everything that happened.
Did you get it?
We have the original with us.
No, that is under investigation. The time difference is a matter of
During the
investigation.
course of the previous
Can you
hearing,
check that in
and
your
therefore
status
I
report?
think though the investigation is going on, we can share
Therefore,
this.
page
because we
9
don't
of
share
your
it openly.
report,
Yes.
it's a Roman
That
4 what's
There
it?
is
What
evidence
from
to,
you?
there is a CCTV footage to
Some of
indicate
the aspects which you have
what time
highlighted are the
the
subject
accused
matter of the investigation by
enters
the
the
CBI.
seminar room and what time
Obviously,
he's
at this
exiting the
stage, when
seminar.
Correct,
CBI
correct.
look
Right?
into it,
This
we
is-
should not be
shared with us.
commenting on it.
Now, Obviously, therefore, there will be CCTV footage
Just 1 minute.
after
Would you say that there was a
4:30 in the
previous
morning.
Straight to your lordship.
Throughout the day.
So kindly take section
Yes,
173
there
of the
Has the
BNS.
CCTV footage in its entirety been handed over to the CBI?
It says
Yes,
on
yes,
receipt of an
yes.
information.
Yes, we have taken.
FIR
Yes.
is
We have
to be
taken.
lodged.
You have taken the
Now,
CCTV
what
Yeah.
does
footage.
176 P state? 176(3) of the BNS states that if an offense is above 7 years and the forensic expert has
we
been
had
called
to
for, on
reconstruct the
receipt
scene
of an information regarding
because
an
of the
offense.
distance. my
But
lord.
There has
then,
to be an FIR.
A part-
Mr.
Without an
Solicitor,
FIR,
how do
176,
you explain this
176.
statement in your affidavit at small Roman 3 at page 14? Just see the last sentence.
Because
My
if there's no
report notes?
FIR,
Yes.
then you can't
Yes.
get a forensic team. It's okay. We are being led to believe that the first registration of the FIR takes
8:40
place at 23:30 hours. That's right. There was a previous FIR, so there. Now, Lordship also appreciate one more thing. Possibly, he says there has to be. There has to be, not there was.
Yes, my lord.
Possibly, as I understand him, he said there has to be a previous. The forensic team cannot come. Otherwise, forensic you can't call. 176 pages. Has been destroyed. By that, by whoever, I do not know. Yes. Kindly take the PM report once, kindly take the document. At the same time, we have now looked at the status report, we have looked at what is being produced by the other side. There are UD entries. One is 542. Sorry, GD entry. GD entry. GD entry, 545. 1 second.
542
You
for.
handed over, as the
That is also
Calcutta
wrong.
police handed over to the CBI,
That's the matter of
the
that was a matter of
entire footage of
investigation.
the proceedings which were
That
taken,
is a matter of
which took place
investigation.
between
Today, on
8:30
the
p.m.
record
and
that has been handed
10:45
over,
p.m.
and CBI has also
The
referred to it.
CBI seems
Yes,
to have
yes, yes,
565.
yes.
What he shared with
576,
us,
is about
and then
27
27 minutes.
minutes, they say.
576,
The
and then 577, and 576,
Four clippings,
and 651.
totaling duration to 27 minutes.
Formula five.
And the proceedings conducted
Leaving the brief
from
aside, the problem is,
1706,
we
that
are
is
dealing with,
5/6,
whenever
to
rape and murder
22:45.
takes place,
Discrepancy which you
Mr.
have
Subal
pointed out.
said that they have actually
CBI is
conducted
alive
from
today.
8:30 p.m.
On the
that is
basis of
20
these
I'm just giving
discrepancies,
instructions.
CBI's
Yes, yes.
further investigation is going on.
Yes, let them investigate. The sample. Now the vaginal wash, the blood had to be preserved at 4 degrees centigrade. These three doctors purposely did not preserve it at 4 degrees centigrade. Now that sample might be contaminated. It has to be preserved at 4 degrees centigrade.
that is the CBI.
Two separate things, Manoj.
Therefore, I say,
Seizure
it was
8:30
something
to
very serious.
10:45.
I'll tell my lord, your lordships, in case of a rape and murder, the first 5 hours are crucial. So the first 5 hours is the period
Seizure
where you have to
8:30
cordon
to
off the area.
10:45 given.
You cannot
Then,
have
Manoj,
an
in
ingress
parts,
and
the
outgress.
videos have
Whoever
been
wants
given.
to
In
come
parts,
and
there was
go,
some
they take pictures,
CCTV in hard
photographs,
disk. In
evidence
parts,
is destroyed.
completely
And
given,
thereafter,
Manoj.
after 5
There was
days,
some
if we
technical
enter the
glitch.
scene,
That's why
It was
we have
stored
our
in
own
part, but
challenges.
given in
asked
full.
the first question
Hard
which we
disk is
asked
full.
was,
And he's
has
made
the
a
CCTV
statement
footage
that
between
I've
4:30
given
in
it.
the afternoon onwards been handed
But,
over to
Yes, it has
in
been.
this context, I
Yes, it
need
has
to, my lord,
been.
But we've got the
come in, my
documents
lord,
of
here,
handing over.
because there is something, my lord,
CBI
which
says that they
according to me
into
is
the
very, very
27
serious, my lord.
minutes only, not
Lord,
more.
No, the
I want to
entire. We
reflect.
just handed over document.
Lord, we
There's a little bit of
have the forensic examination report. I will not read it, my lords.
handed over,
But one thing, my
what you
lord,
said.
is
It's
admitted.
23 or 27
When
minutes
the
of
girl
27
was
minutes
found at
pertaining to the
9:30,
actual search
but I'm sorry,
operation
but
which takes place.
her jeans
And
were
the
removed
inquest which thereafter
and
has been
even the
taken.
undergarments
We
were
wanted to
removed and were
know
lying
whether you are
somewhere
in possession
nearby.
of the
So she
complete
was in a
sequence
semi-nude
of
condition.
the
It
CCTV
is also an
between the
admitted
time that the
position now
accused leaves the
that there
hall
were
and the document
injury
which
marks
takes
on the
CCTV
body
only
and
show
other
the
my lord,
accused
areas.
entering, etc.
Now, your lordships may
Here-
kindly see
Who else?
Crucial evidence.
Who else entered after the accused?
the report.
We
Give it,
had
please.
dealt with the memorandum.
Look into these aspects.
And
we
this,
will.
my lord,
Tell us the next date
this
of
is a
this.
foreign, my lord,
These are obviously
your
now
lordships
that
may mark.
some leads have
They have
emerged,
taken
we'd
the
like you to
samples,
further
they
investigate
have
and
sent
come
it
back
to
us.
an
I just
FSL
want to
in
mention,
West Bengal.
but only one.
And this is the result.
Can I
And
have a word?
CFSL,
CFSL West Bengal.
Central Lab,
Yes,
not
yes,
not
yes.
the
Well,
FSL.
Correct. I'm not on anything else.
Indeed.
वो कहाँ गया दूसरा? यहाँ पे लगा. Lord, I have only one copy right now. Please see this one. This is serious. And the CBI had to AIMS and other, my lord, Central Forensic Science Laboratory.
It's all there. I just want to.
May I just say
May I?
whether the X-ray plates, because when the body was found, the legs were found at a 90-degree angle. Now, 90-degree angle cannot take place without the hips being broken. I want to kindly see in the postmortem report whether the X-ray plates have been handed over to the CBI. Whether the X-ray was actually done or whether the X-ray plates were handed over.
We got the photographs with us.
Mr. Solicitor, just one question to your officer. When the body is dispatched after the inquest for the purposes of the postmortem, you have that letter by which the body is dispatched for postmortem.
Yes, Maharaj, it is there. Form number
Very
5363.
One second, how will you
Let
have
me
it?
have.
I'm saying form number.
Yes, we're saying it with a certain purpose. We want to see that.
It would be a
I check up, Lord, and
you know that it is there. Because it was shown before the High Court. The High Court I argued.
Can you just 1 second?
I don't have it. It was before the High Court related to the argument.
Just 1 second. Let's not get into these bickerings. We have flagged the document. We want to see that document. You have the document here.
Yes, I just check immediately. The body was handed over
from Indus Astha. You have the documents.
We just were trying to see. But in the meantime, I just mentioned